Good morning. My name is Dibyendu Lahiri. I am from PGDM batch 24-26 and I am placed as a management trainee at ICICI AMC. Coming from a tech background, it was really a difficult challenge for me to adapt to the PGDM lifestyle, and I was very skeptical whether I would be a good fit here. But the first day that I entered here and the first class that I did was Marketing Management 1, and right then and right there I clicked, and it was something that I always searched for. So with every classes and case discussions that were going on, I kept on growing and I loved every single part of it. Whether be it finance, marketing, HR, and whatever subjects came at me, I loved all of it, and I faced everything with courage, and the challenges it provided helped me grow a lot what I was when I came in. While second year rolled in, I was very anxious about the placements and everything, that what will I go through. But then I remembered that the discussions that I had with the professors and the works that I did with them, it all helped me to build my CV and to perform better in the interviews that I faced. So one of the biggest achievements that I had here in Praxis was I was the only one interned in Colgate Global Business Services. So that was really a big opportunity for me to grow here. And with that, I was also the marketing club head of Praxis for 2 years, and I cherished every single moment of that time while working on a live case study competition or managing Spardha's marketing case study competition, everything around it. And I truly very blessed that I was able to do all of it in a mere span of 2 years. I would like to thank every professor that I came in contact with, whoever taught me, whoever cleared my doubts, and everyone. But if I have to be fair, then Arunabhu sir, Shantini ma'am, Avijit sir really helped me a lot. And Riddhi ma'am, my club mentor, she taught me a whole lot of things. And the thanks cannot be enough without mentioning PD sir, who helped every case discussion and made the classroom a real fun to be in. So I would hope that whoever comes next, be in contact with your professors, learn from them, ask them questions, and they are ready to solve any of your queries. Never be shy, and all the best for your future. Thank you.